Welcome to this quick tips and tricks video on links and more information within the Insight software. View all our how-to video guides at www.sagaciti.co.uk. So on the side menu you can see we have a drop down for links where you can access our website and contact us. This just gives you really quick access from within the Insight software to a contact us page and to our full website. You can click on Sagaciti Consulting to go straight to the website. And also under more info, we've got some helpful pages on using the Sagaciti Insight software, where you'll find information on how to do it across your organisation, department or team, a link to our how-to video guides, some information across the framework about the PACS elements, principles, approaches, key elements and summaries, glossary, and also some useful information on scoring and what constitutes the different scores, and some guidance to help you out. On our help page you'll find links to all our videos, and you'll also find access to our YouTube channel. Another link here to our website should you need it, and all our Understand video guides. They're just a click away to make it easier for you. Check back to the more info pages for the updates as we make them, and for new pages, including the one on the rank pie chart and how that works. If you require any more information, please don't hesitate to contact us at info@sagaciti.co.uk.